On Hamburg's Stephansplatz, a bronze sculpture of a woman reclining while sunbathing is installed. It marks the transition from the street space of the big city to the extensive park area of Planten and Blomen. The realistically designed and life-size figure is the work of sculptor Edgar Augustin and picks up on a motif that is widespread in art history: the reclining female nude. Despite the relaxed posture, the naked female body is staged with tension. Edgar Augustin was born in Recklinghausen on November 22, 1936. From 1958 to 1960, he studied sculpture at the Werkkunstschule Münster under Karl Ehlers. The human body was the central theme of his works, which moved between very detailed representation and abstract forms.